Hello party people, welcome back to my channel. I haven't done a video in a while, but I'm about to be pumping it out. So today I am working on doing a ponytail. My short natural hair, remember, my hair has grown enough that I can do a ponytail. What? But yeah, so I molded my hair down with some Pump It Up Spritz and Maury's. Let me show you. So I use this Maury's sticky, let me open it up, gel. It's a paste, it's not a gel, I guess. Maury's. I flat ironed, blow dry, flat ironed my hair. Then I put the sticky thing on my hair. This Maury's Edgewax or something, whatever this is. It's been there, it's old, but it does the job, man. Yeah, and then I put some infamous Pump It Up Spritz on it so I can lay my hair down. My hair, I just woke up. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning. So it's kind of like still sleek. I kind of wrapped it up with a wrap strip all around and then I went to sleep. I'll show you the back. So listen, but my back is still short. So what I'm going to do now, there's a lot of videos about how to mold a ponytail. So what I'm going to do today is to kind of show you how I put my ponytail on there. So if you're interested, stay tuned.
Yeah. It's your boy.
So I have these elastic rubber bands here, these little small ones here. And then I have this wrap strip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this wrap strip around the ponytail that I have so that I can put some glue on it and then wrap my hair around. So I'll turn around and show you.
If you give your heart to me, I don't go let you go. Baby, no do me, passa, passa, baby, don't leave me go.
Give your heart to me, I don't go let you go. Baby, no do me, passa, passa, baby, don't leave me go.
I go there, body like skin tight. Say you go there by my side. Till the end of time, we go there tight. Yeah, say you go there.
So I had my ponytail hair is like 28 and 26 inches. I've kind of like folded it. It's pretty long. Can't even get up. I folded it together like this. And I have my needle and my thread. And what I'm going to do is I'm sewing the wefts together so that I can wrap it around my existing ponytail that I have. So I'm not doing anything special. I'm just sewing my wefts together like that. So it can be a whole, I'm supposed to wrapping it around so many times. I will be, it will be a kind of thick piece because it's light hair. And yeah, so I'm just sewing this together and I will wrap it around. This is how the hair looks like when I sewed it all together. So it's all bunched up together in one. See that? Yes, I'm going to proceed and put it on there.
Baby, you go do your body like skin tight. Why you go there by my side? To the end of time, you go there tight. Say you go there with me.
Say you the only one for me. Baby, can't you see?
Body like skin tight. I go there, your body like skin tight.
You go there with me. You the only one for me. Baby, can't you see?
Body like skin tight. I go there, your body like skin tight. You go there with me.
Hey, hey, my baby.
Baby,
Hey, sweetie.
sweetie,
Hey, my baby. Hey, get up, get up, get up, get up. Let's make love tonight. When you see me and I see you, baby girl, say my head dead touch tonight. Oh,
get up, get up, get up, get up. Come touch me tonight. When you see me and I see you, baby boy, now I need your love tonight.
say I don't need your love all night. Say you got me all night. Say never leave me.
So I managed to be able to put this ponytail on here. It's nice and long. See how long this is? Yes, girl. So yeah, I've managed to be able to put that on. I wrapped took a little piece in the back and I wrapped it around so you can see it. It's nice and long. Now you guys know I have pinks at the ends of my hair, so I have to somewhat kind of camouflage that, and I got a little bit of the glue on top of my hair, which I'm kind of annoyed about because it's kind of hard to do this in the mirror and trying to film at the same time. So you guys already know everything is not always perfect like we kind of want it to be and make it look perfect on YouTube. So yeah, I've been trying to get that little piece off that got on my hair, but I'll be able to remove it off if it doesn't. And I want to cover out the pink that I have. I'm going to use this Jerome Russell spray. It's a temporary dye in jet black, and I'm going to spray it on the pink so they can kind of like stain my hair for the day, because I'm going to a party and I don't want people to see the pink that I got. So that's kind of what I thought about in terms of trying to camouflage this pink without putting any type of permanent dye on it, because I still want to kind of sort of keep my colors going. So yeah, let me spray it on here and see what happens. So yes, I am done. My ponytail is pretty.
West African girls with gens up, East African girls with gens up, all my UK girls with gens up, Canadian girls with gens up, all my American girls with gens up.